Hey folks, thanks for taking the time to check out the tutorial for Pixel Point Basic. In this tutorial, we are going to use the female peasant model from the Polygon Fantasy Characters Pack by Synty Studios. And we are going to show how easy it is to edit colors and make new models without editing the texture itself. So we've got the model in the hierarchy here. I've set the rotation on the main one to 180. That flips it around so we can see the front of it. We're going to click on the skin mesh renderer object, add component, digitally reincarnated DRT, pixel point UV editor. Alright, so you have a few options here to start. The first one is which UV you're editing. So if a model has multiple materials, you can choose which one you are editing. Most of the Synty models have only one, so we're just going to use default. In most cases, you're going to want to duplicate the mesh. The reason for this is if you edit this one, it's going to edit it, and then you're not going to have the original. So you would duplicate the mesh, make your edits, and then export the model when you're finished, which will re-nest it in here so that you have, for example, female peasant 3, female peasant 4, however many you're making. When you're ready to edit, we're going to click basic mode, and here is your texture. As you come down here, you can see that we have two different options. We can edit by UV sets or clicking on the model. We're going to start with edit by UV sets, and here's every color currently on the model. It's really easy and basic to do here. What we're going to do is select a color just by clicking on it, and then we'll go in and hit set color. Changed. All the way around on the character. If you don't like that, you can hit revert, and it will go through and change it back. Revert will always go back to the original color, not the last color used. You can go through and try multiple things, and then go back and change just the ones you want back. And there we go. The next option, sometimes if a model has a lot of colors, this list can be long. Sometimes you'll have multiple colors that are close to the same, much like UV set 5 and 9 here. If you want to edit a specific one, what you can do is hit edit by clicking model. Make sure your gizmos are turned on. And then you can just go through and click on what you want to edit. We're going to click on the apron here. We're going to go and select a color. Let's go with green. And hit set custom color. And it changed. You can see the hat was linked to the same color. If you don't like that, we can go back to edit here and hit revert. This allows you to pick and choose what you want to edit. Moving forward beyond that, if for example you wanted to switch this character to use the Modular Fantasy texture and shader, we have settings for that. You can come down here into settings and turn on Synty Modular Fantasy settings. And these are all the different options from the shader. If you click one, it will automatically choose the color. Showing skin here is blue because we have this texture on. If we move the texture over, it will show properly. Alright guys, that was about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know on Discord if you have any questions, and I'm happy to help you out.